Akit pass to begin. Renzi Smile, Danori inside. Hoy, tama na. Alingnayang Polar Express. Complexion and Chowderhead. Renzi Smile, Vioralenka. Hoy, tama na in second. About 3 wide Polar Express. Alingnayang 7 wide comes Chowderhead. Complexion and Kaakit-Akit. Into the turn they go. Renzi Smile by about 2 lengths. Hoy, tama na, still in second. Complexion in third. Moving up on the outside now, Kaakit-Akit, Polar Express. Chowderhead and Alingnayang. They swing into the back. Renzi Smile by about 2 lengths. And in second, moving up by the rail, Complexion, Kaakit-Akit. Hoy, tama na, Polar Express, Alingnayang and Chowderhead. Inside the 3 octavo. And it's still Renzi Smile by about 2.5 lengths. Kaakit-Akit now moving up to take second. Complexion in third. Alingnayang in fourth. Moving up by the rail. Hoy, tama na. But it's still Renzi Smile by about 4 lengths. As they come down to the last 200. Renzi Smile by about 5 lengths now. Kaakit-Akit in second by the rail. Complexion last 75 meters. And it's still Renzi Smile. And finally, Renzi Smile second. Complexion, Kaakit-Akit, Polar Express. Then comes Alingnayang.
Binabanggit ko kanina na